Welcome to the RMDTRADER channel, your gateway to the markets. In this video, we will be showing you how to install the Metatrader 5 application on your iPhone and how to link your RMDTRADER account. Let's log into our account. The first thing we need to do is click on the hamburger menu in the top right-hand corner. Click on the Metatrader 5 option and select Download. Scroll down and select iOS. This will take you to the App Store. Now we can click on the Download button. After the download and installation is complete, let's open the Metatrader 5 app. The menu bar is located at the bottom of the screen. Let's click on the Settings option. Now we select the New Account option. You will see that RMDTRADER is already loaded, so let's select it. At this point, we need to enter our login and password, so let's navigate back to our RMDTRADER account. Go back to the dashboard. Here we can find our account number, which we will use for the login, so write the number down. And then click on it. You might have to click on it twice. Once it unfolds, click on the eye icon to reveal the password and then copy the password. Go back to the Metatrader 5 app and enter the information. Click on the Sign In button at the bottom and voila, your RMDTRADER account is now linked and you are ready to trade. Thank you for watching this video. Please note that we have lots more training videos available, so make sure to visit our YouTube channel and subscribe while you're there. Until next time, trade smart, trade successful.